Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you're all fine while staying at home. Let's start today's topic. Today we will start unit number 3 of textbook, that is poem Try Again, composed by W.E. Hickson or William Edward Hickson. William Edward Hickson, a well-known British poet. His poetry focused on the theme of nature. Some of his poems are about human psychology. In this poem, the poet states that when the world says give up, hope whispers try it one more time. The road to success is dotted with many tempting parking places, so you should keep up trying again and again to cross the road. Let's start to read the poem and to explain it. 'Tis a lesson you should heed, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. Okay students, in the first stanza, the poet is saying that if you fail in your first attempt, you should not get disappointed. You should try again, because then you will become courageous. If you persist because of courage, you will definitely conquer or succeed. The second stanza is once or twice though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Though we did not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try again. Now here in this stanza, the poet admits that when you try again, you may fail once or twice. However, if you keep on trying, you will definitely succeed. If you do not win a race, you should not give up trying again in shame. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward, try again. All that other folk can do, why did patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. Here in this stanza, the poet is saying that if you find your task is difficult to accomplish, you should not lose heart. Time will bring your fruit of labor. You can also do what other people can do, but it needs patience. Okay students, in short, this poem gives us a big lesson. It gives us a message of hope, courage, work hard and optimism. We should always keep this message in mind to be crowned with victory in our lives. So a winner is just a loser who tried one more time. Hope you will understand the poem well. Let's come towards the questions related to this poem. Here the question number 1 is, what does the word persevere means? This word means to be persistent, refuse to stop or hold on. The second question is, if we strive, it is not disgrace. This sentence means that if you fail once or twice, you should not give up trying again. There is no shame, no disgrace. Even if we do not win the race, we should trying again and again to get success. The question number 3 is, why is the poet repeating the sentence trying again? Here, why the poet repeating this sentence? The poet is repeating this sentence or this phrase try again to highlight the importance of constant working and to give emphasis on importance of trying again and again to get success in your life. Thank you.